Okay, so this is the review of the Bushranger L2600. First thing I noticed was that it is a absolute quality build. You get the brush cutter blade, that's a shaft protector that comes off when you put your reel on, which comes preloaded with some cord. You'll have to put this on, debris guard, and you'll also have to put this on, which is the handle to help you hold it. There's also this guard to stop you going too far forward. All the motor is pre-assembled. You'll get this, it's like a little catch guard which sits on your hip strap which goes over you. I've decided not to put that on. If I did put it on, you'd put it through there with this little clip. You get all the tools and a manual. It only took me 10 minutes to assemble that and put that on. So also in the pack is a handy mixing bottle with lines for your fuel and lines for your two-stroke mix. I haven't put two-stroke mix in that yet. Some optional extras, Bushranger two-stroke oil, and a handy little chart. And this whippersnipper brush cutter will accept 2.2mm and 2.7mm. That doesn't come with the pack, that's optional extras that you can buy after. Now, I haven't been here for a week and a half, and the missus has been using the cylinder mower to look after the lawn. My missus isn't confident with the whippersnipper, and you can see around things like poles, she hasn't quite got to around the poles. As you can see over here, same sort of thing. She's got a bit of an area that she's left longer, which is perfect for the whippersnipper. So I've got my litre of petrol in my mixing bottle. Now I just need to put in two-stroke oil, and here is the chart. How much we got there? A bit more, just shy of 40 mils. A bit more. Oh, cool, bang on 40 mils.
Welcome to All Up, get your lawn on.
And there you go, it's bang on. So give it a shake. So now let's put the fuel mix into the fuel tank. All mixed up, proper ratio. There we go. So this is the start-stop button here, which is pressed down like that. The engine will stop, won't work. So for a cold start, put that on. There's a button here and a button underneath, and you press this button to keep it engaged for the cold start. Choke on and full throttle. So to start, there's a lever here that needs to be up in this position. Okay, I've never used a straight shaft before for a whippersnipper brush cutter, so that will be interesting, but first got to start it up, and let's see how easy it is to start up on its first try. Pull that down, pull that up, and then let that go first. Right, she's got to be on choke. Give it a few primes. There's a little button under here, a bit hard to see. Press it a few times till you see that liquid going through. Alright, let's see how easy it is to start. Oh, got a bit of on the very first one. So now I've changed it to open throttle. Might be enough for it to work. Easy as that. Let it warm up a bit. Fantastic. So yeah, it's a great machine, nice and solid. As you can see, it was a cinch to start up. That was my first start up, and yeah, for $279, fantastic value.
Bushranger, get your lawn on.